Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid sparks and airbag faults. Once done, remove surrounding trim using a trim pry and work clockwise to avoid clips breaking, and take photos of every step so you can reverse it. Use a Torx or screwdriver to remove visible screws. Keep them in a small tray labeled by location. Make sure to label each electrical connector with tape and a marker before unplugging so reassembly is error-free. Once panels are off, probe accessory connectors. Check for 12V at ignition on and a solid ground. Use the multimeter to record readings and trace intermittent faults. If you find damaged insulation or frayed wires, cut back to clean copper, solder joints, and cover with heat shrink to restore strength and insulation. Replace bad bulbs or worn clips immediately. Make sure new parts match OEM part numbers so fit and function are correct. Work methodically so you don't create new issues. Reassembly starts by reconnecting labeled connectors and seating modules fully. Press clips until they click and reinstall screws in the order you removed them. Once the dash is back together, reconnect the battery negative terminal and perform a thorough function test. Verify gauges, switches, lights, HVAC controls, and infotainment work through all modes. If something still fails, check continuity on suspect circuits and inspect ground points. If intermittent or complex faults remain, consult a wiring diagram or a professional technician for advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.